Muskegon. Dew points are into the 70s and even some 80-degree readings. So very muggy out there. It feels like 90 already at Midway. It feels like 91 in Joliet. 83 is what it feels like in Aurora, and 87 is what it feels like right now in O'Hare and in Bartlett. An excessive heat warning kicks in at 10 o'clock this morning, will remain in effect until 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Earlier we had a very isolated shower in Lake.
Let's go and get to it. Date. I'm going to take this housing off, alternator, this whole area off real quick. I'm watching my man.
To do the what's name, but
You know, shout out to my man.
I might just grab something there for one of the events.
Also, man, I got box Chevy stuff for sale still. That a complete dash. Off grill. And no cracks, no none of that. Front speakers and shit. Bumper fillers. All the trim. Every trim. Even for that dash, they go to glove box. Trim. Bumper filling crib. Door panels. Chrome. Anybody say chrome pieces? Lights. Everything, man. Front and back domes over there. But that ain't why we here, so. Okay, YouTube, back with y'all. Got the alternator housing / power steering pump off. The whole assembly. For that whole housing to come off, it's like 2 bolts. It's like 1, 2. This might be a 3rd. And then it's 1 you're gonna get that's underneath, like right here. And that slides forward, then you can get everything that you need. Where we at? Oh, I got that 1 bolt I was telling y'all about. It's behind that power steering pump. So I was like, forget it, I'll take it off so I can go and get the wire harness out, got all that out. So that's a weekend project. Going and slice and dice, do my thing, send my box to my, well, not send it, take my box to my cousin. Y'all need them vacs removed. He do it for the low, you know what I'm saying. I think they tune up there also. I'm not sure, but cuz I'm bringing that up to you in a little bit. Probably sometime next week. Other than that, man, I'm about to take a break. It's hot as shit. Then about to go on and cut this exhaust, loosen these motor mount bolts, because the torque bolts, oh no, I gotta get the torque bolts. The motor mount bolts are already loose. Torque bolts, I'm gonna show y'all that. And then we're gonna be ready to pull out. Alright. Oh, and the reason these hoses and stuff still connected, because I ain't drained nothing yet. So I don't wanna be on the ground with antifreeze and all that shit yet, so I'm gonna wait. And oh yeah, I did start loosening the AC compressor, because I knew it still had Freon in it, so it's done now. But it was season, I mean, you know, coming on out. That's done. So let me go and get back to it. Okay, YouTube, back with y'all. I'm about to turn this crank using this pipe wrench. I don't feel like looking for that big ass socket, just so I can find a torque bolt. Alright, we're gonna check it out, see where we at. Take y'all under here with me. Quick, like. Still gotta cut the exhaust. Bam. Torque bolt. Alright. Alright. Where we at? Right there. In order to get it completely out, you need it all the way up there. Where this little, where that little notch at. In between right there. But let me go on and lock it in place so I can go on and break that one. Okay, YouTube, I got it locked up tight. And there we go. Use me a long ass Allen. This is what I was talking about. You ain't gonna be able to get it out, so you gotta move it back up. One more to go. Alright. Okay, YouTube, I got this one broke loose. This one kinda gave me hell. Not far as tightness or nothing, but just getting the angle so I can put me a wrench on the end of that Allen wrench to get this one out. But we out. And I do got 2 more bolts. I got 2 more trans bolts. The ones, I don't know if you can see that. That one, which says this is, I can get that one though. I ain't worried about that one. But the other one, oh no, I might get that too. Oh no, it's 2 more on this side. Well, I'm gonna get that one while I'm down here. And that one at the top, I'm just gonna cut the flow. Cause it kind of went to the junkyard anyway, so while I was struggling to stride with all that shit, just cut me an opening. I might cut an opening for all that shit. Matter of fact, cut y'all back on in a minute. I'm about to cut this exhaust while I'm down here too. Cause I ain't getting back underneath this car for shit. All these grimy clothes going in the garbage.